Hello and welcome to the right angle. And I am your geometrical uncle. Geometrical? Well, I have a shape. And geometry is all about shapes. We will do a little bit of playing around with a piece of paper and we'll learn a little about rectangles, squares, and triangles. All set? So, here goes. Here is a piece of paper. You can see what shape do you think it is? It is, of course, a rectangle. Now, how can I fold the rectangle so that I get the shape of a square? Oh, well, let's see. Okay, I can hold it like this, and I can take this bit and try to fold it in such a way that as I fold it, this corner, and this edge lines up here, and this corner comes somewhere here. So let me fold it for you, and there you go. Of course, I had folded it earlier so that it's exact. So now I have folded this piece of paper like this, and we have an edge here which you can't see very well. But now if I fold the paper out here like this, I get this funny shape. But basically, if I open up the earlier fold, I get an exact square. This is a square. If I fold it out from behind, that's the original piece of paper. So let's see it again. This way. So you take a piece of paper, fold from this corner down below so that this edge lines up with this edge, and you fold it here, crease it, and if you draw the lines, you can see a square shape there. And this bit, just this bit, that's a triangle. Okay, so what's special about this? Well, let me tear up this bit. That's simple, and I just shall get rid of this. And you have a square, and if you fold it this way, you get a triangle. Now there's something special about this triangle. This triangle, as you know, there's no surprise, this angle here is 90 degrees, and these angles, each of them is 45 degrees. And I say this without having to measure it. As you know, the corners of a square or a rectangle are 90 degrees. And do you know that all the angles within a triangle, and these angles are called internal angles, within a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Now, how do we know this is 45 degrees? Simple. When you open up, this entire thing is 90. When I fold it, you see these two parts, suppose I cut it here, these two parts are the same because I folded it. It's the same crease, and this has lined up here. So whatever this angle has to be half of the entire angle. The entire angle is, of course, 90 degrees. So this has to be 45. So when you fold it like this bit is 45, and similarly there, that is 45. and this is 90. So if you add up all of this, you get 180 degrees. However, I want to caution you here, I'd like to caution you here, this is showing, this is demonstrating that these angles are 45 degrees and the total internal angles are 180 degrees. This does not constitute a proof. This is not a proof. In mathematics, in geometry, which is a part of mathematics, a proof has to work in general. So this is a special case. That's enough for today.